What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a BlueSky account, a new social media platform designed for users to connect and share. By following the steps, you'll be able to set up your account and explore what BlueSky has to offer. So first, let's go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Now locate the search bar. After you locate the search bar, type BlueSky. After you locate BlueSky, install the app. Locate the app and open it. After you open the BlueSky app, tap the Create Account button. From here, you just have to enter your account details. Choose a unique username that represents you. Provide a valid email address. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. And set your birth date. After filling up the forms, tap the Next button. From here, just input your user handle. After you input your user handle, tap Next. Now you can set up your profile or create an avatar instead. After you set up your profile, tap Continue. From here, it will ask you what are your interests to help you customize your experience. After you choose, tap Continue. Now that you are ready to go, tap Let's Go on the bottom of the screen to get started. Creating a BlueSky account is a straightforward process that opens the door to a new social media experience. By following the steps, you can easily set up your account, verify your email, and begin exploring the platform's unique features. Don't forget to engage with others and share your thoughts as you navigate this new community. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.